Alright, buckle up buttercups, because today we are diving headfirst into a cleaning challenge that would make most people run for the hills. I'm talking about a house so neglected, so absolutely trashed, that it looks like a horror movie set. But guess what? That's our jam. We live for this kind of total transformation. This isn't just dirty, this is a full-blown disaster zone waiting for its glow-up. Every single surface is screaming for help, and we're here to answer the call. You are not ready for what we found inside, or for the epic reveal that's coming. Get ready to have your mind blown. Okay, let's take our official tour of terror. From the moment you step through the door, you're greeted by, well, everything. Piles of forgotten belongings, layers of dust so thick you could write your name in it, and stains that tell 1,000 sad stories. The air itself feels heavy, humid, and frankly, a little suspicious. Our mission, should we choose to accept it, and we always choose to accept it, is to turn this health hazard into a habitable, sparkling space. We're talking total overhaul, from ceiling to floor. No corner will be left untouched, no crumb overlooked. This is where the magic begins. First stop, the heart of any home, and in this case, the heart of the horror, the kitchen. Oh my goodness. This is less a kitchen and more an archaeological dig site. Old food, grease, grime, and what appear to be several science experiments gone wrong. The counters are practically glued down with gunk, the stove looks like it's been through a war, and the sink, well, let's just say it's seen better days. Many, many better days. This room alone needs an army to tackle it, but we've got something even better, an arsenal of cleaning supplies and a whole lot of elbow grease. Get ready for some serious scrubbing action. You don't fight a battle like this with a dinky spray bottle. We came prepared with an entire cleaning arsenal. We're talking heavy-duty degreasers that laugh in the face of baked-on grime, industrial-strength disinfectants that obliterate bacteria, and specialized tools for every nook and cranny. From power washers for outdoor areas, yes, we'll get there, to steam cleaners that melt away years of dirt, to microfiber cloths that capture every speck of dust. These aren't just tools, there are secret weapons in the war against filth. The transformation is powered by these bad boys, and our sheer will. Alright, let the games begin. Our first major attack is on that kitchen. We start with the garbage, clearing out the visible junk to even see what we're up against. Then it's time for the pre-soak. We douse every greasy, grimy surface with our secret weapon degreaser. You can almost hear the gunk groaning as it starts to loosen its grip. While that magic potion works, we're already scraping, brushing, and bagging. It's a messy process, but every scoop, every wipe, every single piece of trash we remove, brings us one step closer to that mind-blowing aftershot. This is just the beginning of the kitchen comeback. Next up, the bathroom. And trust me, it's not for the faint of heart. This isn't just a dirty bathroom, it's a biohazard waiting to happen. Mold on the shower curtain, questionable stains on the toilet, and a sink that looks like it's been decorating with rust and ancient toothpaste. The tile grout has completely disappeared under layers of grime, and the mirror, well, let's just say you wouldn't want to check your reflection in that. This is where our disinfectants earn their pay. We're talking total sterilization, a complete reset, to bring this room back from the abyss. You're gonna love the after. The battle against mold and mildew is a serious one, especially in a place this neglected. These aren't just ugly spots, they can be health hazards. We're using specialized mold-killing solutions that attack the problem at its root, not just cover it up. Spray, let it soak, then scrub, scrub, scrub. Seeing that black and green gunk disappear, revealing the original tile or surface underneath, is unbelievably satisfying. It's a grueling process, requiring protective gear and serious ventilation, but the payoff is immense. This isn't just about making it look clean, it's about making it safe. Watch that grossness vanish. Moving to the bedroom, we find a different kind of challenge. Less mold, more stuff. Piles of clothes, old papers, forgotten knickknacks, and an incredible amount of dust bunnies that have clearly evolved into dust monsters. The bed is barely visible, and the floor is a minefield of miscellaneous items. This phase is all about decluttering and clearing the pathway to a clean slate. Every single item needs to be sorted, bagged, or disposed of. It's overwhelming at first glance, but with a systematic approach, we're peeling back the layers of neglect to find the room beneath. Get ready for some serious sorting. Once the major items are cleared, it's time for the ultimate dust and debris demolition. We're not just sweeping, we're vacuuming every surface, using industrial-strength vacuums with HEPA filters to capture even the finest particles. Then it's wet wiping everything down: walls, baseboards, door frames, shelves. You wouldn't believe the amount of caked-on dust that comes off. It's like revealing the true color of the room for the first time in years. This stage transforms the air quality and the visual appeal dramatically. Breathe easy, people, because this room is getting a fresh start, one dust bunny at a time. Floors are often the most neglected part of a disaster house, and this one is no exception. Underneath all that dirt and grime, there are actual floors. We're talking multiple layers of cleaning here. First, heavy-duty vacuuming to pick up loose debris, then targeted stain treatments for those stubborn marks, and finally, a deep scrub with a floor buffer that spins away years of accumulated filth. For the carpets, it's a powerful shampoo and extraction. The difference is night and day. Walking into a room and seeing a clean, shiny floor instead of a murky, sticky mess is just pure, unadulterated joy. Prepare for the sparkle. Often overlooked, but critical for a full transformation, are the windows. Covered in years of dirt, streaks, and even cobwebs, they're blocking all the natural light. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about letting the light back into the house, literally and figuratively. We're using professional window cleaning techniques, squeegees, special solutions, and pure elbow grease to get those panes sparkling. The moment the light floods in, hitting those freshly cleaned surfaces is truly magical. It makes the entire house feel instantly brighter and more welcoming. Watch the outside world reappear. Are you ready for this? The moment you've been waiting for. The kitchen, once a truly terrifying biohazard, has been resurrected. Just look at it. The counters are gleaming, the sink is sparkling stainless steel, and that stove? It looks brand new. Every cabinet, every tile, every inch has been scrubbed, sanitized, and polished to perfection. The light reflects off the clean surfaces, revealing a space that's not just functional, but inviting. This isn't just clean, it's a complete rebirth. Who knew so much joy could come from a clean kitchen? We did. And now you do too. And now, for the bathroom transformation. From a moldy, grimy mess to a pristine oasis of calm. The tiles are shining, the grout is visible again, and the toilet? It's spotless, gleaming white. The mirror is crystal clear, reflecting a bright, clean space. We've banished the mold, eliminated the stains, and brought back the sparkle. This isn't just a cleaned bathroom, it's a testament to the power of perseverance and proper cleaning techniques. Imagine taking a shower in this now. It's fresh, it's clean, it's safe. What a difference a dedicated clean can make. You might be wondering, how do we get things this clean? It's not just basic scrubbing. We employ a few deep scrub secrets. For instance, sometimes a simple brush isn't enough. We use power drills with brush attachments for those extra stubborn spots, transforming hours of manual labor into minutes of high-speed cleaning. For really set-in stains, we might even use poultices that draw the grime out. And micro-steaming? It's like magic, dissolving dirt and disinfecting without harsh chemicals. These aren't just tricks, they're essential techniques for achieving that unparalleled total transformation. Visual transformation is only half the battle. A truly clean house smells clean. This disaster house had some truly horrendous odors, musty, stale, and frankly, indescribable. We tackle this with a multi-pronged attack, first, removing all sources of odor, then deep cleaning every porous surface that might hold smells, like carpets and upholstery, and finally, using industrial-grade air purifiers and ozone generators, carefully, of course, to neutralize any lingering molecular nastiness. The difference is immediate and incredible. You can practically feel the air lighten and freshen. Now this house smells as good as it looks. You never know what you'll find in a disaster house, and this one didn't disappoint. Amidst the piles of junk, we uncovered some truly surprising, and sometimes hilarious, items. From vintage comic books hidden under a stack of newspapers to a surprisingly well-preserved antique porcelain doll, to a collection of truly bizarre garden gnomes, every house tells a story, and these finds add an extra layer of intrigue to our cleaning journey. We responsibly sorted through everything, making sure any valuable or sentimental items were preserved. It's like a treasure hunt, but with more dust. From buried under clutter to a breath of fresh air. The bedroom transformation is truly astounding. The floor, once a minefield of forgotten items, is now clear and gleaming. The walls are wiped clean, the windows let in glorious light, and you can actually see the full space. It's incredible how much bigger a room feels when it's free of grime and clutter. This isn't just a place to sleep anymore, it's a peaceful sanctuary. We even managed to salvage some furniture and clean it up, giving it a new lease on life. Another monumental step in our total house transformation. Remember those floors? The ones you couldn't even see the original material of? Well, prepare to be amazed. This is the grand floor finale, and it's nothing short of spectacular. Whether it's the polished hardwood gleaming under the natural light, the freshly shampooed carpets looking plush and inviting, or the sparkling tiles reflecting every bit of brightness, the floors make such an enormous impact on the overall feel of the home. They tie everything together and truly signify the end of the grimy era. Now you can walk barefoot and feel absolutely no sticky resistance. Pure bliss. Alright, it's time for the ultimate payoff. The full house transformation, from every single angle. Let's take a moment to appreciate the journey, from a derelict disaster zone filled with unimaginable filth, to this absolutely breathtaking, sparkling, and livable home. Every room, every surface, every single inch has been meticulously cleaned, disinfected, and polished. The air is fresh, the light pours in, and the entire house practically hums with new life. This isn't just a clean, it's a complete resurrection of a forgotten space. We poured our heart and soul into this, and the results speak for themselves. And there you have it, folks. The incredible, mind-blowing power of a total deep cleaning transformation. This wasn't just about scrubbing away dirt, it was about bringing a neglected space back to life, making it healthy, safe, and beautiful again. We faced countless challenges, but the satisfaction of seeing that final after is absolutely unparalleled. What was once a source of despair is now a beacon of hope and a testament to what's possible with a little dedication, a lot of elbow grease, and the right tools. If this doesn't inspire you to tackle that messy corner, I don't know what will. Thank you for joining us on this wild ride.